That's it.
Okay. Okay. It's recording.
Hey, tell everyone to move on one.
Okay. Yep. No, not anymore.
We have to go without him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, wait. No slacking.
Which row is okay too?
It's okay. It's in the middle. Yeah, yeah.
Tighter in the front. Yeah.
Okay, now just keep an eye on her. You know, the corner eye, because you guys need to stay in rhythm.
Yeah, great. Play me by Quad
Okay, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13.
Alright guys, kiss the boat, scoot all the way over to the side of the boat, scoot all the way over.
Okay.
Balance out, guys. Balance out.
Are we similar? Are we kind of?
Okay.
Row 3, scoot all the way over to your right. Row 3.
Row 3.
On the right, scoot all the
Yep,
way.
yep. Maud, move over. Good. Okay. James, move over.
I am.
Okay, I know. Okay, great.
Unless you want me in the water.
Okay.
Yeah, OCA! Let's go, baby!
I got a first.
Yep.
That's my team, baby.
Okay, hopefully.
Left side, push it off. Good. Left side,
Okay.
push it off.
Okay, left side, push off. Okay, now we're warming up here when we row. Just easy.
Paddles up.
Paddles up.
Paddles up.
Oh, boy. Well, okay, go. Go. Okay. 2.
Don't waste all your energy now.
Stay together. Stay together. It's a warm up.
I can't hear you. Louder.
Okay. 7, 8,
Let's row.
9, 10. Okay, now do you want us to row? Yes, no? No.
Water, hold water.
Hold water. Okay. Hold on.
He's the shout. Yeah, he's
Okay.
Louder.
Okay.
pretty kind.
Okay.
Don't slow the beat down, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Everyone else listen to her. You'll do well.
Okay.
Count together if you have to.
Okay.
Paddles up.
Okay, paddles up.
Go.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I can see you in the back. I don't want to hear any excuses. I want everybody rowing. We need an additional 10% because we're down 2 people. 10%. We can do it.
Tell him.
Kung Pao. Yes. What? Who are we? Kung Pao. What do we want?
Who are we?
Kung Pao.
Who are we?
Kung Pao.
Some life in it, huh?
That's right.
My job is to make you be the best paddler you are.
Yay!
Okay.
Your job is to paddle.
Okay. And here's our plan. Mr. Steerer guy, we're gonna
Like that.
Sir, okay, we're gonna do 10 at the beginning, then we're gonna switch to 4 count. When we're about halfway to 2/3 through, we're gonna do a power 10. And we're really gonna, give it
Long, deep, and hard.
long and hard. Remember, push that down and pull.
I like you.
Okay. do that. Okay. Then you'll hear power 10, and then I'm gonna count down. Okay.
Finish, okay, so that you'll know what's halfway.
Okay.
Then the rest of y'all just gotta haul ass, okay?
Okay.
Cool?
Cool.
You down for that, Kung Pao?
Woo!
Cashews in it, make it extra spicy.
That's right.
No. We don't paddle till we're all over.
Take somebody's head off.
So they actually had two people that had the same height, and they were doing it in tandem. Oh, really? They were awesome. Oh, wow.
What was the first time? What was the first time?
That's right.
What?
That bull shark
Yesterday.
at the Trinity.
We'll crack the 118 mark.
Okay. For the alligator guard.
No, it's a weird team. That's not the best. That would be horrible. That was the best.
Are they the winners?
I think they're waiting.
We need to save our energy.
Yeah. Yep. Push it back. Okay, hey guys, get together. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, thank you, ladies.
Reach. Lay down.
So if the person behind you is hitting your paddle, that means you are not leaning forward enough. Don't be that guy. You be leaning forward so that nobody hits your paddle. That's right. Don't be the Kung Pao shrimp. We need the Kung Pao beef here.
No Kung Pao chickens.
No, that's right. Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy. These girls got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
10 strokes. You ready? Paddles up.
Let's hold it there. 10 paddles up and go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean forward. 9, 10. Yep.
Okay? There it is, what you're looking for.
So I can only see
Get extra power, how do you get it? Okay? Push down with that top arm to get that extra power in there to drive that blade alongside you.
Yep.
Tuck that blade close next to you, okay? That's the maximum position you want. That's the most pressure you're going to press against water. Remember that. That is golden. Okay?
Yep. He was saying, put your paddle in next to the boat and pull. Push your paddle down.
Get extra pressure with your top hand.
That's right.
That is the long, deep.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Stroke.
Get it in there.
Push it.
None of this half and half business. No one's getting pregnant here all the way in.
No pulling out at the end.
No, exactly. No premature.
Ejaculation.
What? What? Say it again. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, that word.
No premature withdrawal. Put it in deep and pull hard. Take it out. Remember, plant it. Plant it.
We're still talking about paddling. Right?
We are. It's a wet sport, but someone's got to do it. Don't anyone tell my husband what I said, or my kids, okay?
Nobody will tell him. Everything on YouTube.
I'm talking about dragon boat racing.
Exactly.
That's right.
That's what we're talking about. Not medical school.
Yeah.
It's racing.
You people with your dirty minds.
Look at that
Oh, they're challenging us.
Cannon's ready.
You guys challenging us, huh?
Who are we?
First one to the finish line, I'm buying beer.
Sorry, you won't get any.
Put out 10% more after.
That's right, 10% more. Here, can we do a little back stretch? Just lean forward gently so we don't tip the boat. Stretch your back out. Feel that?
Press your blade down with the person in front of you.
Keep it long.
Press the blade down.
Okay. Okay, good. Lean back.
That was long. That's what they were doing.
I was pushing you forward instead of everybody.
The way they do their performances.
So did Lane 3 to score?
No, they're getting in the boat now. Yeah. Those are our slacker competitors right there. They're going to be all discombobulated because they don't know they're like lower leg, blah, blah, blah.
They were getting to get second.
So we need a 5-second increase, guys.
What?
A decrease in time. A 5-second decrease in time.
Which is less than 10%. So if we...
Let's aim for 1 minute.
okay.
Yeah.
Aim for the best. 1 minute.
Okay. Yeah.
We showed up. We
Yep.
participated.
Yep.
Yes.
And my comments will be edited out, correct? We can mix our metaphors. Mix our ethnic.
All of a sudden, we got all sorts of weird random sayings. That's a Dragon Boat team thing.
That's right.
That's a DBT, and since you didn't participate in the DBT, you I know.
Well, they're professional. Yeah. Okay. How many?
And jump.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lean forward. Practice leaning forward. 9. Yeah, lay out and forward. And practice pushing that top hand in.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep.
Paddles up, 2 strokes. Paddles up, 2
2
strokes.
strokes.
5 strokes.
1, 5 strokes. 2, 3, 4. He changed his mind. 5. Okay.
Well, because I heard 2 strokes. I thought you were done.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, last race, we did a great job with technique. This race, let's focus on the power 10 in the middle. So the final but I know that you've already got the technique. You're all together. Listen for the drum.
I'm gonna do a finish call halfway through. Finish, okay?
Okay, and then we're gonna do the power 10 when you hear that, okay? And it'll be over. It's over quicker than you know.
Hold water.
We're not professionals here. We're amateurs. It's 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Row 7. Do you feel the wind in your hair? Because there's no one in front of you? Okay. And rows 9 and 10, we need you to push. You're the engine room. That's right. Because we're women and we do twice as much work as men and get paid half as much. Okay. So as mad as you are, okay.
And go.
1, 2, 3. I don't know anymore. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let it ride, okay. Hold water.
Keep coming this way, Jovan.
Oh, paddles up. Keep going.
Keep going
Go.
this way.
1, here we go. 2, 3. Stop, hold water.
It was coming right.
Hold.
Give me 1 stroke forward. Go. All right, Jovan and Steven, you guys are good. Ty, keep bringing it up. Jovan and Steven, give me 1 stroke forward.
Paddles up. 1 stroke.
Okay, Steven, hold. Jovan, hold.
Water.
Ty, hold. All right, Jovan, give me 1 more stroke forward.
That's us.
1 stroke. Let's go.
Okay.
Jovan, hold.
Hold water.
Hold alignment.
Paddles up, everybody. Paddles up.
Nice. Attention, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 2, 3, 4. Pull. 2, 3, 4. Reach. 2, 3, 4. Push. 2, 3, 4. Push. 2, 3, 4. Pull. 2, 3, 4. Power 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're winning. 2, 3, 4. Push hard. Push. We are out of sync.
Especially at the end. I think we did the power 10 too early.
He said finish. Were we last?
Who has their phones on them right now? Just
Oh my god, that was tiring.
Okay, now we're gonna do the cool down when he tells us to row, okay? And I think
5 boat paddles up.
okay.
And go. One last row.
Yep.
Last row.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. Okay, we going?
Why'd you stop?
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ladies, get together. Okay, stop.
This is so much harder.
I know.
That's so disheartening.
I bet our time improved.
I hope so. I think we lost it later.
Yeah, we got out of sync for sure. But that's okay.
But I think it was later in the race than the
Okay, okay.
Hold water.
Hold water, hold water.
Throw the ropes to them. Throw the ropes to them.
Here are the results for race number 17.
they haven't scheduled the third heat yet. It's based on the results of the first 2 heats, and then they schedule the third. Oh my goodness. I know. That's what I was thinking. Maybe I could do something.
Advil? Yeah, I know, I know.
Fest over there.
Okay.
Row 1.
I know. Yay, yay, yay.
You got it?
No. Okay.
Yeah, let's not do that, huh?
No, that would have been pretty good.
That'd been awesome. That'd been pretty epic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great job. And we're still taping.
Okay.
Look where it's at and what time it is.
Talking to somebody else.